This is a cracker. It's a 1963 Thunderbird, showing 2,000 miles. I guess that would be a but since it's been restored. All nice wheels, lovely paint. It's quite an unusual one because it's like the bathtub one. You either like it or you hate it, but I like it. Nice little rack on it. Paint's very, very good. Nice exhaust, good chrome on the back. I don't think you do anything to it, you just drive it. And this is sort of a little bit different, I think a bit different than the usual one. This one's priced at 5,695. It's all restored. It'll come with an MOT and a service and everything, but she's a very, very nice example.